Hi, welcome to this sneak preview video, and we're on Cinnamon this time. So ArcoLinuxB Cinnamon, a minimal edition in the sense that when you install Cinnamon with an ISO, then you get a lot of screens. Choose your audio, video player, communication things, your lots of tools for Gits and so on and so on. So like around 10 to 12 screens. That's software. You decide to install more on your system. I've gone for a minimal approach. I've done nothing of the sort. I just skipped all the messages in Calamares you'll see in April, and I just installed Cinnamon, the basics, right? I then installed Simple Screen Recorder and VLC in order to make these videos and to check them out. So this is Cinnamon, nothing installed. This is as minimal as it can get on ArcoLinux. We have our ArcoLinux tweak tool there, archive manager we need to download something at RGZ, right mouse click and decompress of unzip, right? So the conkeys are working, the quantum manager is needed, Nemo, that's a file manager for Cinnamon, that's there. We need to burn from time to time USB sticks. And variety is there to set our beautiful wallpaper graphics. Ristretto is here, Internet, Firefox programming, well, not coming from us, actually not a choice. VLC, Simple Screen Recorder, both of them have been installed later, after the ISO. And here we are getting into the technical things, the things we like to have on all our ISOs: cheap-hearted, crop customizer, deconf editor, Conky toggle is there. You need to print, right? You need an update, system profiler is there, and all the URXVT stuff. But also XFC4E F12, right? F12 is, what is it? All up in here, you see what it is. So even here we have an XFC, because frankly we're loving our F12, and suddenly it hit us, we can have an F12 on GNOME, it's Guake, Yakuake, on Plasma, and on Deeping is their own. So I mean, we take the terminal that's there if it's available, otherwise XFC will do the job. So a lot of preferences. These guys are actually coming from Cinnamon, and the simplest way to show that is this button. So these are the system settings, and every button here has an item there. So preferences, you can find them here. Notifications, network, all of them are available here as well. And there are some extras, I think. I think this is one from us, a choice that we've put in there. And that's it. System info, no. All the rest is standard Cinnamon stuff. So themes are in here. Maybe worth mentioning that we've have 3 themes. We got rid of all the themes. So the colored themes that we have, like, I don't know, 24 themes or something like that. The themes, you can install them later on. Now we stick to the Arc Dark, Arc Darker, so the one that's not coming from us, but from Nico Hood from the GitHub. So that's a choice, and here we have the Surfen and the Sardi icons, and that's it. On the Calamares, in the installer, you can install any of the others. I mean, there are like a list of 20 icon themes and well, themes and icons and cursors altogether, a list of 20 items there, and you just choose them. So it's all about choice, and when you install it in Calamares. But what if you stay rolling, right? So you can actually install any of these guys. It's just I'm just thinking, what's the easiest way? I've shown how to install an extra software. Well, let's say store. GNOME software is something you can install as well in this one, but since I've explained that on Budgie, I think, let me show that just now in PAMAC. So PAMAC AOR is working, well, depends. So the icons at this point in time need a fix, but it is working here in the repositories. So here we have lots of things to go for. I mean, if we type in theme, you get all kind of things. These are all installed, so it doesn't matter. But the new stuff is adapt GTK, click install. I want to have Arc icon, click install. And here are the things we've left out. ArcoLinux, Arc themes, Nico. If you say, oh my god, where are all these colors? We had so much choice in colors. Well, It's just an install away, a click away, and then that's that. Of course, sudo pacman -s, and then a name, any of these names, correct name, correct spelling, then it's there as well. So take a look what's there. I've made 3 videos already. Let me go back, 3 videos already, but let me go back again to tell you guys, look at what's in repo extra large. There is some fun stuff in there. There's also stuff in there to keep connected with your loved ones, like Skype and so on, Slack, Zoom. Lots of possibilities to keep in contact. So I have now installed the Arc themes. I can show you that we have a little bit more themes now, just a little bit more. So that's it, right? I don't know, you count them, it's a lot of lines, and you can install even more, it's up to you. And we have controls here. So the Arc Dark, if we take this one, the Fire Darker, you get this one, and we have this look here, the window borders, Arc Fire. I think we need to reboot for that one. And the desktop, that's the one I was looking actually. That's the white one, there you go. So lots of possibilities. I prefer it to be dark in menu, but okay, that's me. So there's lots of things, or you just stick to Advaita Dark, why not Advaita Dark, right? It's all a choice, it's all fun, it's all game. In this case I don't have any Advaita. Here's a cinnamon thing. Cinnamon look is grayish look. It's all good. It's all good. It's playtime, and it's there for you. It's there free for you, and you just download whatever application you like. This is the minimal approach, and I'm out. Have fun.